Hi guys, this is adding and subtracting vectors. If you don't know what a vector is, you need to go to my other video, start from scratch, and it's describing vectors, and that will, yeah, make you understand what they are, what they're used for, and why we use them. So this one is just an add-on from that, and it's got two vectors, and it's asking us to do a little bit of algebra to find two new column vectors for A and B. So I've done the first one for us, just basic substitution, guys. So don't get confused with it, it's just substitution. So remember that when you have a vector, you are not adding down, you are adding across. So you're not adding that way, you always get adding across or subtracting across. So for the first one, find A plus B. Well, A plus B equals 3 plus, which would be here, minus 1, which gives us 2, and then minus 2 plus 5 gives us 3. So all we've done is we've gone along across and put our adding sign in, and that will give us our new column vector. That's how simple this is. Substitution. That's all it is. B, 2A minus B. Well, we know with algebra, when the letter is attached to a number, it means multiply. So it's asking us to do 2A minus B. So we're going to do 2 times 3, because we're only looking at the A column. So it's 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. Now we're going to whack all this into another vector. So we've got 6 and minus 4, which is our new A. And then this column here, we haven't changed it. We haven't done anything to it. So it will still be -1 and 5. And remember, this question is a negative. So we add the negative and the negative in the middle. 6 negative -1 is 7, because remember, a negative and a negative, it equals a plus. So don't forget to do that. And then -4 minus 5 is -9. So get to grips with your negatives. That's why I thought I'd do a video just on sort of the negative vectors, because if you don't deal with them properly, you're going to get the wrong answer. So let's do these together. So we have A minus B. So A minus B. We don't need to do anything with it. So we've got -4, -6, and we've got 7 minus -3. So our new vector is -10, and 7 minus -3 becomes a plus, so we have 10 again. So our new column vector is -10 and 10. Next one, we got 3A this time, so we're going to need to do a bit of multiplication. So that's our sum. So we're going to do 3 times -4. Because -12, and 3 times 7 equals 21. So let's put it all in our new vector. So we have -12, and we have 21, and it's an adding, and B hasn't changed, so that's 6 and -3. So we have -12 plus 6 is obviously -6. And 21 plus -3 is +18. So there's our new column vector. Only two more because I'm sure you're getting used to it by now. So for this one, we have a plus b. And our vectors are 1 plus -2. And we have -8 plus 4. 1 minus 2 is -1. And -8 plus 4 is -4. So there we have it. There's your column vector. Let's look at 2a plus 3b. So here we have to work on both vectors. So let's work on the 2a. 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times -8 equals -16. And then we have b, 3b. So that's going to be 3 times -2, which is -6. 3 times 4 is 12. So let's pop them all into one vector. We have 2 minus 16 minus 6 and 12. And it's a plus. Two plus -6 is going to be, actually I can't fit that there. 2 plus -6 is going to be -4. And -16 plus 12 is again going to be -4. So even that's not tricky. It's just adding an extra step where you're having to do something to both A and B. And then finally, I'm going to be quiet on this one and I'll do it in silence and you can follow it. So A plus B is -2, -5. And then we've got some work to do on B. Okay, so we've worked on our A. So let's put it into here. So we have -20 and 8. B stays the same. And it's a negative question. So our column vector is -20 minus 3 is -23. And 8 minus -7, so that becomes a plus, is 15. There you have it. 4 different examples, all doing the same thing. It's all substitution. And, you know, that's it. Column vectors, substituting with negative numbers. Hope this helps. Bye-bye.